Haute Couture.
Wala pa makikita.
Ganda! Ganda!
Malasa, malinamnam.
Tasty.
Game!
Wala pa.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on a tree, and you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies are having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when the day is done, that's what I mean. And this whole world is a new world, and I'll blow the world for me.
She's feeling good. Is she looking good?
Yeah!
Masarap?
Sobra!
Malinamnam?
Yeah!
Malasa?
Ganon. Correct. Hi, Arizona. Masasira. How are you?
Hi, I'm doing good. Hi, how are you? Okay. Ay, na-miss ko yung Apoteca kasi sobra. And nakita ko yung mga familiar faces, palakpakan yung mga sarili nyo. Nakita ko rin yung mga unfamiliar faces. Palakpakan niyo yung sarili nyo. Palakpakan niyo yung sarili nyo!
Thank you so much, Arizona, for stepping in the night. Palakpakan si Arizona, bigyan siya ng pera. Bigyan siya ng pera. Bigyan siya ng pera.
Maghihingi na ba ako ng
Ngayon na, go. Yan.
And of course, nandito pa rin ang QR code ni Arizona Branding up on our screen.
Correct. Okay, ayan.
Di ba sila po sa Dragon Sis, no? Ito ba? Ito ba yun? Ay, hindi.
Ayan, oo. Sige,
Joke
wala.
lang.
Yung gold.
Ay, mang-hold up ka kailangan. Alam mo na ito, kabisado mo na yan. Bigay ng QR. Kung natanggap nyo na ang 13th month nyo for the year, ilagay nyo po dito lang.
Sana kami 13th month ng August?
Okay. And then again, reminding everyone that later, after the Q&A, we are going to do a toast courtesy of Absolute. So mamaya po merong staff ng Apoteka, ng Bekenemen, and ng Absolute na mamimigay ng drinks. And we are going to do a toast for the Girl Group Challenge. Okay. Ayan. 1,000? Ay, wow.
Grabe yung hold up ni
Grabe,
Arizona.
oh. Grabe.
Sana
oh.
mamaya may matira pa, ha?
Correct, ha? Yes. So, by the way, ang tickets po to our episode 4 viewing are already available. Palakpakan